Hello, welcome to Calvin's Quick Cutting Conversation. What we're going to do is discuss separation of things with a series of tools and a series of uses. Let's start down here with the little one, the ZP5, the flush cutting pliers from Park Tool. So you might think anything can cut a zip tie. ZP, this is the zip tie. Yes, anything can. But what's nice, that's different than the side pull pliers, is this nice flush grind here, flush. So when we come here, right up to the end of the zip tie, oh, that's nice, very, very flush cut. You see these all over the bike. For example, on a race plate. So the race plate, snip, flush, nice, very nice. That is the ZP. Another place we see cutting, of course, is scissors. Why would a mechanic have scissors? Yes, there's several places. One, going back to racing, is the race plate. Here's an example, typical race plate. Ow. Ooh, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. Did that hurt me? No, but it is a sharp 90-degree cut. No, but imagine this, crashing. Flesh flying across that, oh, big crash. Yes, that could open up. So, good mechanic will take this and round the corner. Let's go round, and then we're gonna go round the outside. So now all is safe and nice. Scissors, another place is bar tape, of course. Wrapping it around. We want to match the angle of our wrap. This gives us an extended angle, nice line to help finish the bars squarely. Now, moving down the line, scissors will not work here. This is your brake housing. Let's have a look at the cutaway, the difference on a cable actuated brake. This is a single wire wrapped round and round. Now, the side pull, the SP7 is a good one here for the single strand. So if we're cutting, a good trick is to fold it over. That opens up those coils. We reach in here and we trim, minimizes any burr. Then we can use a pick to open up the liner. That's great. Remember, fold it over and cut with the back end. That is the mechanical advantage you want. It is the crushing molars of the side pull pliers. Moving down the line, multi-strand wire. This is we're getting shifty here. This is the shift housing. We do not use this. This is for your single strand. Multi-strand, we want the shearing action of a cable cutter. The CN10, well, it's a little bit like the scissors, isn't it? But it's wrapping around, it's gathering it around and then cutting. So this is what we're looking for on multi-strand. So here, some things. We want to cut straight. Whoops, not straight. So hold this, support it close to where you're cutting, keep it at 90 degrees, and we're gonna get a 90-degree cut. So it's common to pinch it a little bit. That can open it up there. Open that up. If we need the pick to open up the plastic liner inside, then we're good to go. If you have some scrap cable, it can actually help support it as you cut it. So here, the scrap piece goes inside. I'm cutting that way. Goes through nicely. Just a little shortcut. Then we're down to cutting the cable. Multi-strand, we're still with the same tool. So here, similar concept, 90 degrees, but we want to try and pinch close to where we're cutting. So we're here. We're pinching the side that we want to keep, not the side we're throwing away. We want to hold it straight, not crooked. That tends to fray it. And sometimes you may have to cut just a little bit off. Sometimes, oh, I just need just 4 or 5 millimeters cut. That can be quite tricky and almost dangerous. First, you're going to have some flying sharp ends all over the place. I think I have created maybe 15, 16 flat tires. So don't be the cause of your own flat tires. So cutting cables. To cap off this quick cutting conversation, we're going to look at the end caps. To prevent our little friend here from fraying like this, we want an end cap. So this is one here, but one of my favorite tools now, the LP7. It's a newer one from Park Tool. It's become one of my favorite just exactly for this. There we go. Crushes it nicely, pinches it tight, and that is right. From Park Tool, Calvin Jones.
Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content from Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.